Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. In this lecture, we will learn where we do not need to use Tn formula. So don't use Tn formula when the same expansion is used in the later part or parts. For example, in this question, the first part is find the term independent of x in the expansion of, and the same expansion is used in the later part. So never use Tn formula to solve this first part. Always expand the expansion of first part instead to make the calculations for this second part simple. So let's understand how to solve this question. So we have to find the term independent of x, and we are going to expand the expansion to make the calculations for this part simple. So a is 2 upon x with power 6. This number should be here. Since we have negative sign here, so signs are alternate. 6c1, 2 upon x power 5, and second term is 3x. Power 1. Now the next term is 6c2, 2 upon x to the power 6 minus 2 makes 4, and 3x to the power 2. We need the term independent of x. So you have to keep observing the expansion or terms. Here you will get x. When you will cancel these two, you will get x power 4. When you will cancel these two, you will get x power 2. So you have to expand one more term because we couldn't get independent of x yet. So the next term will be negative 6c3 2 upon x power 3, 3x power 3. And to be on a safe side, to make the calculations of the later part simple, expand one more term. So 2 upon, because we have got the independent term here, but to make the calculations of first part simple, we will expand one more term. 6 minus 4 makes 2, and this is 4. Now simplify this first part. So we have 64 upon x power 6. 6c1 is 6. 2 power 5 is 32. 32 times 6 makes 192. Let me check this. 6 times 32 times 3. So the answer is 576 upon x power 4. Now the next term is 6c2. 6c2 is 15. This is 15. This is 16. And this is 9. 15, 16, 9. Wait a minute. 15 times 16 times 9. This is 2160 upon x square. Because when you will cancel these two x, you will get x square. Now the next term is 6c3. 6c3, let me check 6c3. 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 2. So this is 2, this is 2. So 4 5 is 20. 63 is 20. So this is 20, this is 8, and this is 27. So 20 times 8 times 27 makes 4320. And both the x will be cancelled. Now this is an extra term. We found it to make the calculations of later part simple. Maybe we would need this term, maybe. In some cases we need the extra term. So the next term is 6c4. 6c4, we have to check it. I don't have the calculator, unfortunately. So 3, 3, 2, 2. So 10 times 6 makes 60. So this is 60. And 60 times 4 times 81. I'm using my calculator for this calculation. 60 times 4 times 81. This is 19440. And x square. Well, the answer of the first part is minus 4320. This is the answer of the first part. Because the question was find the coefficient of x. Find the term independent of x. So the answer of the first part is minus 4320. Now the second part, I told you we use the theorem to solve this part to make the calculations of this part simple. Now first copy this thing, 1 plus ax square and the second expansion is 2 upon x minus 3x. Whole power, I think, 6. Now, copy the first expansion, which is 1 plus ax square, and copy the result of this expansion from the first part, which is here. You need to copy that result here. Now the question is, find the value of a for which there is no term independent of x. Now what does it mean? No term independent of x. Well, independent of x, this statement means x power 0, and no term means 0. So no term means 0, independent of x means x power 0. So altogether this statement means 0x power 0, meaning there is no constant term. The constant term is 0, you can say. So first you have to find constant term from these two expansions. So when you will multiply this ax square with this term, you will get the constant term. We are finding constant terms from these two expansions. So multiply this with this to get the constant term, and then multiply 1 with this. With this one. So when you will multiply 1 with this number minus 4320, you'll get minus 4320. And when you will multiply this with this, you'll get 2160A. Now you should equate this result with this result, 0x0. And you know 0x0 means 0. Now you can easily get the value of A, which is I guess 2. You can check the solution again. This is the solution of the first part, and this is the solution of the second part. Now some important things. So if this is constant term, find the constant term, constant or independent of x. They both means x power 0. Well, if they say no term in x square, this is the second statement, no term in x square. This means the coefficient of x square is 0. And if they say no term independent of x, so you just need to understand this statement first. So this statement means x power 0, independent of x means x power 0, and no term means the coefficient is 0. So you just need to combine these two. So no term in x, no term independent of x means 0x power 0, which is 0. So you just need to find constant terms from the given expansions like we did in this question. We found 2 constant terms and then equate your results with 0. I will discuss simple expansions in my next lecture, inshallah.